The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 9:40 a.m. and ending at 11:40 a.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Fernanda Arias, a white Hispanic female, 12 years old, 4 feet 11 inches tall, 100 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 2300 block of Peach Drive in Jacksonville, Florida, who was last seen wearing a white shirt and dark pants. The child may be in the company of Jorge Reyes, a white Hispanic male, unknown height, unknown weight, unknown hair and unknown eyes. They may be traveling in a dark-colored two-door Honda with a large rear spoiler. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office at 904-630-00